Hey you guys, we're not in my kitchen. We're in Christy's kitchen. This is Christy. If you guys ever watched Mizetta Stone stuff, we've done a bunch of videos there. But we're at her place today because we're gonna make cake. I have a bunch of bananas that have been sitting in my freezer for a while. So we need to get rid of that. But I think the goal is to try to make really old bananas. I think the goal is to make like a
chocolate banana cake with peanut butter icing.
Yeah, that's the goal. And this is just gonna be like us hanging out, and we'll randomly remember to tell you ingredients, but you guys have been here long enough to know that I don't tell you stuff. This is not like an educational thing, this is just hanging out, so. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna look for ingredients. This is Joshua's piping bag. Joshua, get a better piping bag. No, I'm gonna put the chips on the living room.
There is no room in this kitchen. It's teeny tiny.
Christy and Titan are only here for a little bit. They're transitioning.
I would die in this kitchen long term.
So I brought my own cocoa because there's a little bit left, and this is a new canister. I asked my mom, I was like, hey mom, do you think there's like a cup in here? She's like, ah.
I think banana that's been in there for half a year is probably really, really right.
But I'm just gonna mash all of it. I have to say, some people don't like it because bananas are mushy. Try freezing them. Try freezing them first. And be like, yeah, this is a different level. This is a different type of texture.
It's disgusting mush.
Yeah.
Oh.
So guys, an update. This is a banana. It doesn't look as bad as the lighting suggests, but I didn't have to mush it much because it is already mushed.
Look at it.
1 cup into the mixer.
Yes, please. What are you doing?
Ooh, that sound in the back. Like, have you ever gone over to other people's places, use their utensils, and be like, there's a hint of something here that wasn't part of the ingredients that I just bought?
Thankfully, no. I think I might puke a little bit.
No, I've had like a situation where it's like, I'll be like, oh, this is a spatula. What is that?
Ew.
It's not bad stuff, it's just like, you know, like old cake batter.
But that just means they didn't wash their dishes properly.
Precisely.
That's nasty. Okay, how many eggs do I need? 2?
Eggs, 2 at room temperature. Well, we screwed that one up too.
No, I took that one out.
Oh, really? You're so smart.
Okay, so prepare yourself. This thing is really loud.
Alright guys, 3, 2, 1, go!
It doesn't even turn on. What the hell? What is going on?
Is that plug-in not work?
It's a possibility.
There you go. So the top plug-in was a fake.
No, it's probably connected to one of the many switches that we don't understand.
So we don't know, we don't understand the switches here.
Neither does your
But it works now.
Okay.
It looks like an egg drop soup. We're adding in the dry ingredients now, guys. It's getting exciting. Oh.
I'm assuming it's supposed to be a smooth batter.
Well, I mean, it is banana bread.
Cake. It's supposed to be cake.
Banana cake, chocolate banana cake.
I compare.
We could, but should we compare? Is that what our life has come down to? Comparing and competing against ourselves?
Yeah. Isn't that how we become better?
I guess so. We have like a bunch of smoke everywhere, and it's not because we burned anything, it's just because there's something in the oven that was there before. So I'm just gonna go and like open a bunch of windows right now.
Oh, they keep taking my I think it should probably not be there. Oh!
So you guys, the first 2 layers are in. We might make 2 more, but I'm just gonna turn you off for now because this is probably kind of really boring for you guys. We'll come back when we're gonna like put it all together and stuff. So yeah. gonna get a really good view of this, but this kitchen is small and this is the best I can do, so suck it up.
That's very nice to your viewers, Pooh. This is the other banana one?
Have we decided which one we want? No, we want this one, the thicker one, right? Thicker chocolate one?
Probably the thicker one, because it's probably going to be really sweet. That cake will help us balance it, hopefully.
We'll see. Ooh, that color combination is so attractive.
We're doing this liberally, right? Because
yeah.
why can't I say the word liberally? Liberally?
Liberally, yeah.
Liberally. That's cool. Ah! Okay, chocolate layer. Sure.
Is it like a little bit small? It's like a tiny bit smaller than the banana one.
I think it's not all the way because it's one of the pie ones.
Yeah, so it's like thinner on the bottom.
I'm pretty sure the one that your mom has is the pie one. The side, right?
Yeah, that side.
It's prettier. Ta-da!
Yes. That's awesome.
Can we just...
Yeah, let's just use up the rest of it. Alright, we finished it. Yeah, we're not gonna eat it in front of you guys because that's mean. Because we want to savor it ourselves. So
we might make an ugly face.
Yeah.
It tastes good.
So we're gonna leave you guys there. So thank you guys for coming with us on this journey. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.